Good morning guys, it's Emilyy Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be doing a day in the life of a college student video. So I thought I would just take you guys along on what a typical day looks like for me. Every day is a little bit different. They mostly are similar in terms of I have classes and a lot of schoolwork to do. What do I have to do today? Today I have to get some work done this morning, and then I have a meeting later on, so I have to drive to school for that, and then I have a client after and class. So it will be a very long day, but that is also typical because I do take night classes because I'll usually have a client and then maybe class or more schoolwork to do. So it kind of does vary, but it does tend to be a long day. But I will take you guys along just to show you kind of what a glimpse of my day looks like as a college student. So yeah, let's just jump into this video. Okay, so I usually start my day out around 9 or 10 a.m. This morning I woke up a little bit earlier than I usually do, but usually I just wake up and snuggle with my dog for a little bit. My boyfriend had already left for the day, so he's not here anymore. The next thing I do, I get up and I brush my teeth, go to the bathroom, just freshen up for the day. I have to brush my teeth early in the morning right away because otherwise I just feel gross. And then I've just finally taken a shower. I like to shower in the morning so that my hair is fresh for the day. But I take pretty fast showers, so I'm just gonna finish getting ready for the day. So now I am feeding my dog. I love the little water thing that we have because the water comes out right as she drinks it and I don't have to fill it up as often. Then I let her outside to go to the bathroom. So fun fact about my dog, she does this weird super fast sprint after she's done going number 2. So that is what you just saw here, and then I just usually let her run around for a little bit, get some morning energy out because she is literally like a child. Like, she is full, ready for the day in the mornings. And because of the dew in the morning, her paws get so wet. Does anybody else have that problem when their dog comes inside? Because I definitely do. Okay, then I finish getting ready for the day. I do the most basic makeup routine ever. I really only just put mascara on and do my eyebrows and put on a little bit of eyeliner, but that's my routine. And obviously I brush my hair because I just got out of the shower and blow dried it. I'm having my breakfast. I just had a few grapes and some toast, but I don't even usually eat breakfast in the morning time, so it's crazy that I'm even eating right now. So that's why I wait so long after I wake up, because I usually just have a coffee and a granola bar, honestly. But here I'm just working on my therapy session plan for my client, so I have to get that done throughout the week, but I keep a running list of what I have to do on my calendar. Now my dog always wants to sit in my lap while I do work. It's so cute but annoying, and so I just let her jump up and sit on my lap for a little bit while I do work. She loves to sit there. Eventually she'll just lay down and watch me, but I just finish up what I have to do while she sits on my lap. Hey guys, I'm editing this video right now, but I just wanted to jump on here and say that I lost some of the footage of me going to the store and running errands and doing some returns. So I had to go to the store the next day, so I just am going to throw that clip in here because I did run errands, but I lost that footage, so I'm just going to show some footage of me running different errands. So sorry about that. So that's kind of why it looks different in these next clips, but I'm just going to show you that now. Alright, we're headed to Walmart now, and my boyfriend is able to come with me, so we're about to go. Alright, we made it. Look how far away we parked. Alright, I'm stopping at Walmart because I want to get some boxes that I can add to my storage bin, because downstairs in my basement is a little crazy, so I'm going to come in here today and buy some clear storage bins to add and get a little bit more organized downstairs. Okay, I found the containers. Now I just need to pick which one I want. But I know I definitely want clear ones so that I can fit as much as possible in it and I can see what's in it and not have to guess. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I don't know which one to get. They don't need to be fancy either because we're just gonna be storing stuff in it. Okay guys, now I'm having a debate. I don't like these ones because they're brown, but my boyfriend's saying they're gray. What do you guys think? I don't know. They're definitely brown. Even in the camera, they're brown.
In the camera, they're brown.
No.
They look brown in that camera.
Okay, you're colorblind then.
No.
No, this is brown.
They look brown in the camera. In person, they look gray.
No, they're brown.
Brown.
What did you say?
This is brown.
Oh, it is brown. Because this is gray. Yep. See? Thank you. What you got there? How did that end up in our cart, huh? A Fortnite one too? Why?
I don't know.
Guys, look how big these candies are. They're already getting ready for Christmas. This is what my one of the families I babysit for got me because I told the kid my favorite candy was Twix. Oh my gosh, that's insane. This is one whole bar. Holy moly. And Snickers. That's insane. Well, come get it at Walmart. We also just noticed they have these global cocktails. It's actually kind of cool. It's like a drink from different places. That is so awesome. I'm also gonna grab some granola bars because I am out. Also good to start buying some of the Christmas presents now because nobody's looking and like the shelves are fully stocked. So it's a perfect time to do so, but I can't show you guys what I got because some of the people that I'm giving the gifts to watch these videos, so you'll just have to wait and see. But it is a good time because all the options are available. Alright, we got what we needed. We are headed home. This is what I have to deal with in the cold because we took the BMW today and we like to park it far away, or he does, so you have to walk all the way to the end of the parking lot to get to the car so it doesn't get dinged. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pack my lunch really quick, or I guess my dinner since I have night classes. But I just bought this lunchbox off of Amazon. I love it. I will link it down below for you guys because I actually really like it. It is a little bit bigger than I thought it was, but I really like that it can hold my containers. So this is the inside. I just keep napkins in there. But I also like that this little compartment holds my silverware. I don't know if you can see in there. It has these little loops here that I can keep my silverware in because I always before just throw a fork and a spoon and a knife in and it would jingle around all day and drive me nuts. So now I have the little pockets for it and then I just wrap it in a napkin whenever it's dirty. I meal prep at the beginning of the week, so on Sundays I make a big meal of everything that I'm gonna take for the week and then I put it in these little containers. So this week I had made hamburger helper with ground turkey because I don't like red meat, and then I just put cucumbers on the side. So I'll put that in. And then I have my mandarin oranges because I could eat these all day long. I love them. These in there. And then we have some chocolate mini bite muffins and a kashi granola bar. I love these granola bars. I don't know why, they're just good, I guess. And so I like the cherry dark chocolate one. And I also like the chocolate almond one or something like that. These are really good just for a little snack as well. And then just some grapes. So that is my dinner, and I'm cooking my lunch over there. And I'm about ready to leave to get ready for my meeting. Okay, I have made it to school, so pause for a meeting and I will be right back. this is our graduate student lounge where we can come and do any work we need to get done, and a lot of our materials are in here, which is really helpful to just have a designated space to work and have a microwave or coffee. After my meeting, I again am doing a lot of schoolwork, so here I'm just continuing to work on finishing up some of the things I had to do before I had to see my client. Okay, so here's one of my classrooms. I like this one the best because we actually have tables and we can spread out more than those little tiny desks where you only have one little tiny spot to yourself. But yeah, this is one of my classrooms, so I'm gonna get ready to sit in class for 3 hours. Guys, okay, I just am in my car now. Sorry for the poor lighting, but I stopped to get some gas on my way home from school. I have finished up with my day. I obviously can't record as much as I would like to because I'm in class and with clients and meetings all day long, and I can't record in there. So I hope that you have enjoyed it so far. I'm just gonna head home now and probably eat a snack or something. Yeah, this is a real life look at how my days are. So I'm just gonna head home now. Okay, so I've made it home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope that you've enjoyed coming along with me on this day in the life of a college student and got a little glimpse of kind of what I do. Most of the time, it's meetings, clients, classes, and work. So, but anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!